So there's already many reasons I like this East Oak fire pit, but I wanted to show you some things that I've just started doing, or are tips and tricks I guess you could do with your fire pit. And this is just something it already comes with. So if you've got an East Oak fire pit, you probably also got this fire poker that it comes with that lets you empty out the ashtray and everything on the inside. Well, one thing that's really cool about these is they have two little prongs on the end, and sure, that's used as a fire poker, and you'd also use this to lift up the tray. But I mean, look what I'm doing with this log. So when I was first using this, I was just kind of like getting a little close and tossing in a log. This thing is hot, and that's one of the great things about it. It gets really nice and hot off the wood you put in there, and if you fill this thing up with a lot of wood, it gets really nice and hot. One of the drawbacks on that though is putting in more wood. Well, if you use this poker like I do, you can put the wood on the end and just set the wood in there. Now, I'm not throwing wood in there and jumping back and trying to not burn myself. I'm using the end of this fork here, this poker, to actually just set the wood inside. And it makes it so much easier to load this with firewood, and then of course you can use the poker to move it around to get the flame you want. But that's just one more cool thing that I have learned to do with this East Oak. It's just an awesome little fire pit. All right, well, I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.